Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Today I will try to cover analytical tool called Tableau. If you have already used any visualization tool like Power BI, Oracle Analytics Desktop Edition, or any other sort of this, so then you will be able to understand very easily the Tableau part. Okay, here is the website tableau.com. You can download free version, desktop edition, this one. Yeah, I just downloaded from tableau.com. Let me check the version. This is a Tableau public. It has same way like Oracle or Microsoft, they have web edition as well, or cloud. So okay, here there is an update as well available, I think 4.3, right? I will do it later. So Tableau Desktop edition. This is free, just like Power BI and Oracle Analytics. So I have downloaded it. Okay, let me show you the pricing part before moving to the practical hands-on. Okay, this is a creator license, $70 per user per month and billed annually. That means you will have to pay for the whole year, not per month, right? If you are interested to buy for your organization, then the licensing will be something like this. Yeah, this is on premises. That means installation of servers will be within your data center. Yeah, and then this is on cloud. This is hosted by Tableau, right? So 35 Explorer, and this is 12 is viewer, where you need minimum 100, right? Let me show you just quick view in the cloud part. So creator is the same. Here it is increased, and this one also increased bit. Yeah. So now this is just online platform. So you are going to use it, right? And there are texts as well. Whatever it is there, you can read before placing the order, right? Okay, this is Tableau. I have downloaded 2 sample sheets from Tableau, for which I will share with you the links to download. So by default this page will open of the Tableau desktop. So it has different, see, in one of the next video I will show you how to read from the PDF file and use as a data within your Tableau sheet, right, or Tableau dashboard, right? Let me show you. I will read data from Microsoft Excel. Okay, let me go to my, I think I have put it here, Tableau. Yeah, Tableau. Okay, I have 2 sheets here, 2 files I can show you. One is CSV and one is XLS. I will upload both, and then I will make joins both of them, right? So let me first upload the Excel file. Okay, so in Excel file you have 2 sheets, right, orders and people. So what I will do, I will take this orders and drag to the right side. So if you see, I have the data here shown below, right? Okay. Now I will add the second one, text file. It is CSV file, right? If there are any returns, goods returns. So I have now this data where you can see automatically joins are created. So what I will do, I will click this joins, and you can see the joins over here, but I will create the left join. So all orders should appear even if return is there or not there. But if it is inner join, the orders having returns only those will show equal to, right? So I will use the left join. So it is changed, and you can confirm your keys as well, right? Joining keys. Done. So my joins are created. Here you can change the data types if you want of any. Let's say for example, row ID I want to change to, sorry, on this side. So I will change it to, let's say for example, string. So it will automatically string and it will refresh the data. Same way, if you want to do any sort of I will say data improvement, or you want to remove or do something over here, you can do it here, right? Because this data we are going to use it. Now data is ready. So here if you see these orders where it's showing null means there is no return, right? So somewhere there will be returns as well. So this is what we are using, this left join, right? Okay, now if you see here down we have data source, which is we just created. Then we have second sheet, new sheet, new worksheet. Then we have new dashboard, and then we have new story. Very nice features. Okay, let's start with the sheet. This is our first sheet. So if you see here on the left side, we have now data fields or data columns, right? Whatever you call it. It has divided to two categories, two main categories: dimensions and measures. Okay, dimensions will be always, which is to be plotted on x-axis, right? Which is normally grouping, categorization, right? Categories and things like that. Regions, countries, age, whatever you can say, I mean grouping. So those will, Tableau automatically sense those and categorize as dimensions, right? Okay, next is measures. Measures is where you have amounts, calculations, these sort of things will be there in the measure part, right? Okay, then we have here pages, filters. We'll use these one by one. And automatic marks, that means it will automatically suggest you a chart, right, when we will drag and drop. Okay, then we have colors, size, text, detail, tooltip, and here these are available. These are not the all list. These are just shown. So once we will select the data, Tableau automatically will recognize, okay, what kind of chart should be there. So I will show you. So you can hide this by clicking here, show me this one, right? This is how it is. Okay, if you accidentally close these windows, you can go to window and you can enable or disable, right? Let's say sidebar. So this is disappeared. So like this, right? Okay, on the top, if you see here, we have rows and columns, right? Let us show you something. We'll do something over here. Let me put category, right? I will drag category here. Then I need category wise, let's say discount or profit or quantity or sales or shipping cost or whatever. Let's see profit. Okay. Now if you see here, automatically a graph is presented to us based on automatic. We can change, right? Okay. Now if we can change, Tableau is suggesting that, see, few are enabled, few are disabled, right? So we'll say, okay, this is how it will look like, pie chart, right? So just click and your chart is ready. If you want to see the data, right? Okay, this is just a category, right? Okay, now let me put it country. right? If you see here on the right side, now few more charts are enabled, right? Let me click this. Sorry. Okay, it is ready, right? If you see here, okay, now if you because there are categories, so it is showing in multiple colors, right? Okay, let me remove this category. So just drag from here out, right? Okay, now let's say for example there is no country name, right? Okay, now I will put it country from here and drag to the label. If you see here, there is a label, right? Country is ready, right? Okay, same way, let's say for example if we want category, I will put it on the color. Let's say on the color, right? See, so just drag and drop and you can see online chart. Let me click this one, how it will look like, right? Let me remove the category. Okay, now you can see again we don't have this label, so I will put it labels of country over here, right? How easy it is. Okay, now this, let's say for example I am saying I will change this name profit by country, let's say. This is one sheet, right? Okay, we will create another sheet next. I will show you how to create dashboard then. We will quickly create, let's say for example order date. Or I will put it here, and then I will put it profit. Okay, now if you see here, it is showing every year, right? Now I will change things like I will just click this plus sign over here and I got quarters. So now it is quarter wise, right? For each year it is showing in the quarters, right? Okay, if you want further, you can click this chart, this quarter, and you will get the months, right? Okay, now you can this option swap the axis, right? Rows and columns. Let's see. Just imagine, right? It changed the. Okay, now let me remove year. I will remove year. Let me remove quarters, right? And then let me swap. This is how it is. Okay, let me change this month wise profit. I'm just sharing you the basic concepts. I can't go in detail because each click has many options. Let's say if I will go here, it has further, so many options. I mean, Tableau is really in detail, and see here, you can have many options over here. Dimensions, attributes, formats, things like that, right? So I'm just sharing you the concept, overall concept, how it is. Okay, now we have two sheets. Let's proceed to our dashboard. Okay, now if you see here on the left side, we have two sheets which we created, right? These two. Okay, in this you have to select. If you come to here, you will have different sizes. Which size you want to select? Let me first draw it here. So this is done, and then I will move this down, right? Now it is. Our dashboard is ready. Okay, next is we have to create filters. Let me go here. I will add one filter over here of, let's say, I'm just saying region. Yes, let's say. See, we have different regions, and I will say select all. Okay, so now once we will go here, I will filter, sorry, actually we selected all. I don't know it. Let me click here, show filter. See here, all are selected, right? Canada, right? Okay, now let's go to our dashboard and I will remove this and will add it again. Right now I have the filters. Yeah. Okay, now if you see here, I will click these only. I'm removing Canada or region, anything, but this down one, it is not changing, right? See here, only this one is changing. So for this I will go here, sorry, it is, let me see that option, single value list, only values, format for customize, apply to all worksheet, right? So I will say all using related data sources, all using the sources, selected worksheets only this workbook, related data sources, right? Now I've done, I will click this one, see, so both are happening, right? This is how you can play. So if you see here, I just click here, use filter. So when I'm clicking here, the relevant country, same things are showing here below, right? This is how it is. Okay, now let me go to F7, right? You can, by the way, add more sheets here. I just showed you here. So this is how your presentation screen will look like if you want to present. In next session, we will go to story. Let me give you a brief of the story. Story is something like, say, for example, it will have sort of, let's say here, you selected this one region, and then you will give some details over here. Okay, all are fine, but Russia profit has few, I'm just giving an example, right, concerns. So once you will send or share this one in the story, it will have, let's say, for example, multiple, sort of stories. So it will be next, right? Okay, now if you see here, when you will save, the person who is viewing it or receiving it, he will receive as it is, like this Russia will be selected, right? In next, you might give another story in which you will say, okay, another region or something other you concern. So that means what analysis you did, the person who is going to receive it, he will have the same story. He don't need to build again and filter and all this. So he will just open, okay, these are the commands, okay. He will click next, okay. Let's say 5 stories or sheets. So this is how you can display a story, right? Okay, now let me move back to my dashboard. So this is how the dashboard is. If you see here, you have different selections. You can click here, right? Then you have sizes here. You can see how it will look like on phone, right? So it is showing you that sort of area. You can decide how you want. Then you have these options: show dashboard title. You can add title over here. By the way, each click you will find something different, something new, so better you try it. It's a matter of trying. And my recommendations would be the very first thing is data. It's not visualization tools. Now, by the way, you can compare this with your Excel, because sometimes people compare, says, we have charts in Excel, why you need BI tools and things like that, or visualization tools. So now you can compare. Is it Excel is this much powerful? You will see the difference. Okay. Now coming to the point. To be honest, data is very important, because no matter how good your visualization tool is, if your data is not proper, it is not properly cleaned, it has missing data, wrong data, you will not get a proper analysis, right? So focus first on your data. If that is good, I am sure 100% any visualization tool can give you better results. Yeah. So data is important. I will share with you these sheets for your practice. The links you can download, and Tableau link as well. So you can practice, right? Share your ideas, concerns, questions, and we can discuss it further, right? Thank you very much for joining and your time. Allah Hafiz for now. Bye bye.